Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Definitely was having some problems with my stream, but we are back online. Crazy. Favorite trader, thank you. Having some problems with the stream, but back at it. Hi, how are you guys doing? How's everyone doing? Hope we're having a wonderful day so far. Hope we are having a wonderful day so far. Looking for a chat here. If it's your first time watching, welcome. Literally just trying to get access to my chat right now. Hope we're all doing good today. Alrighty. Having a hard time here, but let's just get right into it, guys. This is YM. This is YM US 30. YM. So yeah, we have here the trade syncer dashboard. This is where I copy trade and I journal basically my trades. This is our performance so far. Basically just need one more winning day. Let's see if we could make something happen. Yeah, here's the performance so far. Here are Trade Syncer. You can use the code StanFX if you also want to copy trades with different platforms. You can literally have as many as 20 accounts all being copied across all those accounts. You just go to tradesyncer.com. Use my code StanFX. You get a nice discount on your monthly subscription, and you can start using them. Very powerful tool. I'm using Fundednext as well. That is a platform I'm using right now. You can also check them out if you are interested in using them. They have a lot of great perks. They literally pay you out. They literally pay you back your, let's see here. They literally pay you back your more than your purchase fee. Once you pass the account and you're able to reach payout, they will literally compensate you with your purchase fees. This is fundednext.com that I'm using right now. So if you're interested in them, you can definitely check them out. Use the code StanFX at checkout. If you're using futures, this is the futures tab. This is their CFD side. So if you trade CFDs, forex, and you want to purchase an account with them, use the code STAN, STAN, to get a nice discount on that. And if you want to trade futures, use the code STANFX to get a nice discount. I know it's backwards, but that's just how it's set up. Yeah, so these are the two accounts. This is where we're sitting right now. So let's see what we have today. Let's go back to the trading view. And you can use my code STANFX at most of these prop firms to get a nice discount with them. It helps a lot of these prop firms. You can use the code and get a nice discount with them. But without further ado, let's get right into this trading session. Looking here on NQ on the 15-minute. You can see here that we have this. We're dropping right now. Dropping into this fair value gap. Let's see how price decides to react inside of that. That's a huge drop. Huge drop off. Let's see if price wants to give us a push back up, or if it wants to continue dropping. This is YM, guys. YM, and I'm gonna turn on this indicator to show you guys what indicator was that. AFG. Oh, I forgot the name of that thing, of that indicator. Someone gave me a nice indicator yesterday. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, let us see what we have here. So right now I'm simply waiting to see what price wants to do in the zone. Good morning, good morning. Hello from Pakistan. What's up? What's up? Good morning. So let's see here what market has in store for us. Yeah, my computer is lagging. Let's see what we have here though. See what price wants to do with this fair value gap. Does it want to keep pushing up? Does it want to bounce from that? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Hope you're all having a great day so far, though. Wonderful, wonderful day. Wonderful, wonderful day. Do we want to plummet? Or do we want to, head back up? Want a nice follow through again. I do think we'll bounce from that. Sheesh. I may have missed this here.
Order filled.
Order. Oh. Speak, man. Do inverse that, I can try those longs. If not, then I guess we're doing nothing. We did not inverse that fair value gap. That's why I'm not going long there. See what wants to happen here. I'm logged in right now, so I'm not really reading any comments right now. See how we react with this fair value gap. Whew. We're just consolidating in that zone right there. We're just waiting, just waiting. Let's see if we can inverse that. I'm going long. Okay, getting ready to go long once we inverse that. In there. Let's see what we can get here. I do want to show you guys the P&L, so I'm gonna yeah. All right. And now we just wait. Like that. What happened? Stream delayed? Sheesh. Short? Nope. Long. What was my plan? I was just waiting for my setup to present itself. Come on. Come on. Go. Today's Friday. What market is that? That is NQ. I mean, that is YM. Sorry. That's YM. Can you guys still see me on YouTube? Can you guys still see me on YouTube? Because I'm on the YouTube thing. It looks like it not showing. Oh, you guys can still see it? Okay, nice, beautiful. But on my end, it's not showing that it's. Let's see. But if you guys can still see everything that's going on, that's nice. So I'm just over here looking for $1,000. Let's pull out the calculator. I just need $1,000. So I really just need 100 ticks, if possible. I like 99 ticks. It's cool too. Let's see. Really, 90 ticks is really where it's supposed to be at. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. Guys, if I can make this quick $1,000, I've already passed one of the challenges. Whew. Hopefully we can keep pushing though. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Thanks. Oh, you got in this trade? You're chilling. Manage risk properly. I should really be moving my stops to break even at this point. Actually, I will do that. I think I will do that. Because I don't want any bullshit. Let's keep it going. Let's go. Let's keep it pushing. We're almost there. Come on. I know you got it in you. Got some more juice in you, boy. Yeah, that's US 30. Yeah, not gold. YM US 30, however you want to name it. I don't want us to have to retrace all the way back to entry. So if we do that, I'm just gonna get out. Fuck that. I don't even want us to break this fair value gap right here. I want us to trade below it. Yeah, let me show you guys the P&L. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's keep it pushing. Oh yeah, I think I needed like an extra, like $5 or something. Yeah, let's move it up just a little bit. Let me show you guys the P&L again. We just need that one leg, bro. Just blow us up, brother. Guys, I have a live trade in Discord that I trade with every single day. He says, bro, I used to watch you because I thought I had someone who also loses money every time. But now you're also making profit. See, here's the thing. It's funny because I actually like posting my losses because it's more relatable. So a lot of times I actually, funny enough, I actually pitch for losses. Like, it's like I want to post losses because I feel like that's more relatable to most traders. So I want to show the reality of trading. So that's why I like posting a lot of my losses. Like I take wins. I take a lot of wins, but let's say I take a win and a loss that day, I'd rather post my loss, you know? I'd rather post my loss because firstly, it gets more engagement, to be honest. Honestly, it gets more engagement. Not only does it get more engagement, it also shows the reality of this trade and shit. So, you're long. Oh, you're running 5K. Hey! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the hell is that? Dude, that's crazy. Ha! That's crazy. It always just hits my 90 ticks and then just... That's an insane candle, bro. What the freak? Damn. Let's see how this plays out. That candle scared the hell out of me, bro. Oh, that was caught on live. That's nice. That candle scared me, bro. What the hell? That was a crazy candle. Almost got my break-even stop. That was caught on live. My reaction. That's crazy. Hopefully we can now trade into TP. Like, hopefully. That's what I'm saying. My actual TP is supposed to be 90 ticks, so but I'm just doing a whole bunch of other stuff now. That was crazy. That was a crazy candle. What the heck? What the hell? What the helly? Hopefully now we can continue. Hopefully, like, what the heck was that? Oh, that was a 10 a.m. candle. Okay, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Makes all the sense in the world. I'm telling you, that was a crazy candle. What the heck? The 10 o'clock always has those type of signs. A lot of times you'll see crazy candles like that, trying to stop people out. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. But yeah, as I said, my TP is supposed to be at 90 ticks usually, but you remember one of my content? Yeah, I know. Yeah, it was the same. Yeah. This happens quite often. I just want us to bro, we're almost even there, bro. That was a crazy count. That was a funny reaction though. You need to go back and watch that. But yeah, I'd rather post losses than wins, man, because it's more related. And you guys on TikTok, sorry that I'm not engaging with you guys, but I'm not able to read the comments because I was having a difficulty setting it up, so I'm not able to read the comments right now. So that's why I'm not engaging with you guys, but you still just kick it with me. Kick it with a young blood. Not a blood. I kick it with a young, you feel me? Kick it with a, you feel me? Young rich nigga like me. I don't want to say anything crazy before start talking about I'm affiliated with gangs and shit. I'm not. I am not. Let's break through that, bro. That was a funny reaction, though. That was funny. Let's move this up a bit, because yesterday I made $2 extra, bro. I made $2 extra, and they're gonna tell me that, like, bro, you gotta make extra profits. You feel me? Because if you make extra, then they increase your profit target a little bit. So you can't make more than $1,000. If you do, they'll increase your profit target. So I made $2 over. So now I have to make a little bit over as well in profits. So account for that. Let's keep it pushing. Almost at TP. Bro, don't try to reject from those highs, bro. That would piss me off. What are we doing here? No. This is what we're not doing. What the heck? I have a double top there. I don't like that. These profits. I should have just taken here and then try to, you know. Oh. If we reject from here, that would be crazy. That would be insane. Let's go back to chat. Standard order is testing your patience. I know, right? It's testing it, man. Almost taking out candidates. Crazy. US 30 bearish. Stock divergence. She. Fuck that divergence, twin. Guys, give this stream a like, bro. Like, guys, I'm doing this for you guys, like, because I fuck with y'all. So I'd appreciate it if you guys can give this stream a like. You feel me? It helps. It takes the stream a long way. It pushes it to more people. So I'd appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. 1 like, 2 likes, doesn't matter. Just give it a like. It's free. It doesn't cost anything to give it a like, you know? I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Dude, let's just... I really don't like what it's doing here. It's not looking very nice. Nah. Stops are a break even though, but what the heck? I should have just taken out a 90, man. I'll tell you. Now we have kind of a triple top forming. Doesn't look good at all. At all. Done. You're up 5K. Done. Nice. Beautiful, bro. You the GOAT. Yes, sir. Thank you. That's what they like to call me. The GOAT. You trade in crypto too? Crypto is long term. You're super. Best to ever do it. Thank you. Thank you. Need more psychology videos? I got you. How to manage a losing streak? Like mentally? Just look at, you have to have data. Once you have data, just look at that data and just look at your win rate and why you should stick to your strategy. Your data will tell you that, you know, you just have to stick to it long term. If it has an edge in the long run, it'll play out. So that's how you deal with losing streaks. Just be positive and look at the data. As long as the data is telling you that your strategy has an edge in the long run, you need intensive data too. As long as it's telling you your strategy has an edge in the long run, you're good. Close it, fuck that. Either breaking even or taking that win. But I just hate how it just traded into 90 ticks and now it wants to do all this shit, bro. You can catch once more. I mean, that is true. That's true. That's true. But just want this thing to play out, bro. Like, what the heck? Playing with my patience, twin. Stan the man, you are the best. Thank you, Jumo. You're the best too, brother. Damn, someone made 5K from this trade. That's crazy. That's what's up. Love to see it. Bro, like, what are we doing? We keep trading into this fair value gap, so I don't like that. Like, when we keep trading into a fair value gap, we're most likely gonna disrespect it. So if we disrespect this here, I'm probably gonna exit this trade, bro. This is annoying. If this doesn't end up not playing out, that's gonna be so annoying. Wow. Which it looks like it's not gonna end up playing out. disgusting. Chop, chop, chop. Should have just taken out a 90 ticks, but I wouldn't. I'm just trying to pass this thing as quickly as possible, bro. Like, what the hell? Bro, what is this disgusting behavior that price is doing? Let's try to break through this trend, bro. This trend line. If we can do that, I'm sure we'll probably head up. Possibly. Playing with my patience like that, tween. Hoping to go up, man. I'm hoping to, bro. You close yours at 4K. Oh, nice. Thanks. No problem, brother. I don't like how it keeps bouncing in there. I won't lie. Like, I actually don't like that. We haven't broken that trend line either. I actually don't like that. Crazy how it trades exactly into 90 ticks. This is why data collection is so important, guys. Because my data tells me that, you know, usually it likes to trade into 90 ticks before it sees any type of retracement. And what did it do? Trade into 90 ticks, and then boom, we got this huge displacement to the downside. So that's why data collection is very important. If we can break this trend line, we may be good. Maybe. Very nice entry, thank you. You close yours at 4 million. Thanks, Stan. Nice. Nice one, brother. You guys are funny. $4 million. You're flexing, man. If I called a trade and you made 4 million, wouldn't it make sense for you to, you know, give me like half of that, 2 million, bro? Come on. Send you my wire, my bank account and routing number. Wire me that. You think up? Let's see. Hopefully. Yeah, that was a news candle. 10 o'clock. Either a news candle or just 10 o'clock tends to do that. Quick stop loss in 1 minute. Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. thing has been playing with us, bro. Playing hopscotch. Like, what the fuck? What are you talking to me about, time? Let's go. Let's go. If we tap back into those, bro, listen, YM, okay? Listen. If we tap back into those highs and you reject those highs, bro, we're gonna have a problem. Okay? I know you're at those highs. If you reject those highs, bro, we're going to have a problem. It's rejecting it. It's gotta hit TP now. You'll be surprised. You have no idea what the markets are capable of. If you reject, bro will take profit. Oh, you would have taken it? Yeah, I'm not taking it. I ain't no pussy. I ain't no pussy, Nick. I ain't calling you a pussy, but I ain't no pussy. I'm gonna hold through this shit. We keep rejecting those highs. It'll be wise to take profit, honestly, but I'm not claiming to be wise, so never claim to be wise. Yeah, you can. Yeah, I can take it. I can literally take the money and run right now, but I don't want to. Fuck that. We're still rejecting these highs, bro. Stop playing with me, twin. What you talking to me about, bro? Alright. What have I done to you? Nothing. I've only been nice to you. Those highs are playing very tough. They're playing tough guy. Tough guy highs. Go past that shit, twin. Guys, should I pull out? Should I pull out, guys? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Should I pull out, guy? Fuck that. Nah, really, I don't know, man. I don't know. Whatever, man. Whatever happens, happens. Bro. Whatever. No. That's not what I was trying to do. I was trying to do this and then do this. And then do this. Think I should take TP? Fuck that shit. Fuck TP, ning. Fuck that shit. Let me show you guys the piano. Put that shh. Put that shh. We're almost there. Dude, what is why are you playing with me like that? Bro, why are you playing with me? Like, why are you playing with me, bro? Like, dude, if we inverse this shit, bro. Like, what the hell? emotions are. This isn't good trade management, honestly, because, but it's eval. That's why I'm doing this, bro. This is eval, so who cares about eval? Just trying to pass it, bro. Just for us to trade above those highs, we're having such difficulties. Technical difficulties. The algorithm is not algorithming. The algorithm is not algorithming. Algo. Yeah, this is the longest trade ever known to man. Close it, sir. Fuck that sh. It would be so funny if this shit just says psych. Going right back down. Take profit. Fuck that sh. Book profit. Fuck that sh. Take profit. Everybody's saying take profit. Fuck that sh. Fuck that sh. Yes, sir. That's how we do it, bro. That's how we take profit. That's how that, like, right there, what just happened? That's how we take profit. Fucking top line. That's how we take profit. So we've literally just passed this account, honestly, bro. We've literally passed this account. It took longer than I anticipated, but we've passed it. We have passed it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go look at the stats. That took like 10 years, bro. Like what the helly? So you guys on TikTok will not be able to see this, the trade sinker, but you can always go on YouTube. I'm also live on YouTube, guys. So if you want to watch me on YouTube, you can see everything more clearly, you know. So this is the stats. Let me see. Yeah, that trade was playing with feelings, man. Trade sinker. Main scene. Let's go back down there. Fuck that sh. That was a fucking annoying trade though. The hell? What the hell? Trade sinker. You can see we're up 1,000 on both accounts. Copied it on both accounts. Profit target is 2,500. So I've made a little bit more than that on this account. 2,500. So I've made 2,600. I'm giving them an extra. You feel me? So we made 1,000 on this, 1,000 on this, so 2,000 total. Let's go to the dashboard. Yeah, this is the total profits of both accounts. So you can see I just need 200 on the other account. So the first account is passed. So on the second account, I just need 200 to pass it. So I'll do that on Monday to see if I could. So basically, I got on one funded with Fundednext, guys. If you want to check out Fundednext, bro. If you want to check out Fundednext, bro, just go to their website. You know, Fundednext.com. They're big in the CFD space. Very big, huge prop firm. But now they just rolled out their future section, so you guys can go check them out. Fundednext, you feel me? I just passed one of their accounts. The other one is still pending. I don't know how. I think on one of the days I didn't configure my trade copier correctly, so it didn't copy it on the other account. That's why I'm kind of down a little bit on the other account, but I just need $200 more to pass it, so that shouldn't be too hard. I'll just risk $100 per trade, so it shouldn't be too crazy. On Monday I'll pass it. I can't make more than 1,000 in one day, so I can't pass it today, or else I would have just passed it today. Let's go into the dashboard. So this is Fundednext. Let me show you guys Fundednext dashboard. So obviously it hasn't updated yet because it's gonna update at the end of the day. So once it updates, you're gonna see that I passed this account, and then this account will still be pending. Yeah, so just gotta wait till the end of the day and it'll show. And so, but if you guys literally want to trade with Fundednext, try them out. You just go to Start Challenge. You feel me? It's gonna show their plans. You go to fundednext.com, Start Challenge. They have CFDs, they have futures. You know, so you just choose whichever one you want. If you're in the United States, you can't trade CFDs. You have to trade futures. So you just go to the futures tab. But if you're anywhere else, you can trade CFD. So you just select whichever plan. And for the CFDs, use the code STAN. Just STAN, not StanFX, just STAN. Should get you the best discounts. And for the futures section, use the code StanFX. That gets you the best discounts as well. I'm using a 50K plan right now, but they have 100K, they have 25K. 25K is $129, but if you use my code StanFX, you get a nice discount on that. 50K, $249, but that's the one I'm using because it's easier. It's the 25K and the 50K accounts are the most easiest to pass. You go to apply coupon, you use my code StanFX, boom, get a little nice discount. So and also gives you 10% on your reset fee, so that's nice. Yep, that's how that's done. And then on the CFD section, you just choose whichever plan, use the code StanFX, and then in there, you're in that motherfucker. You choose. They have different steps. They have a one step. They have I think this is this instant? No, it's not instant funding. So they have a one step and they have a two-step challenge. So you choose whichever one you want to use and just go with that. Let me trail my stops on my other accounts because I took this trade on my other funded account, so I'm gonna go trail my stops right there before this thing reverses on a young nigga like me. Oh, look at that, disgusting. Yeah, I'm out this motherfucker. Yeah. So anyways, as I was saying, let's go back. So yeah, you choose whichever plan and then boom, you feel me, use the code CFD STAN. It says it right here, CFD STAN, CFD or forex. CFD is forex basically. So you use STAN, whichever one you want to pick, boom, pick the plan and use the code STAN, you get a nice discount. Futures side, you use the code StanFX, you get a nice discount, blah 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 blah, yada yada yada. So that's basically it for today, man. For me, I gotta go trade with my Discord as well in a few minutes. Trade live with them every single day. If you guys want to join, that link is in my bio. You can take my trades with me, spectacular trades. You know, of course there's gonna be losses, but you know, we try to do our best in that motherfucker. So if you want to check that out, link is in my bio. It is a $75 a month subscription, so check it out. I think it's worth it. You're gonna definitely get your money back. Probably in the first trade you take. But this is not financial advice. This is not anything like that. Like, bro, if you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. You feel me? So, but yeah, that is it. That is it for me today, guys. At least for this session. I'm gonna go trade with my Discord in a few minutes, but basically done with this challenge for today. Passed one of the accounts, so I'm gonna try to trade it into profit and things in front of you guys live, so you guys can see that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Ooh, nice one. Ooh, Edgar, nice, nice. You hit 1,000 on NQ, beautiful. See you later in the Discord, brother. See, he's in my Discord, so. But yeah, that's that. What else? Yeah, I mean, you know, as always, trade syncer as well. The code standard phase gets you a nice deal on that as well. You can see what time for the Discord session. It's usually around 10:50 a.m. So if you're interested in that, check it out. As I said, you are the best. Thank you, Jumo. Thank you. You're the best too, brother. We are all in this together. You can see my stats right here, my trades. Loss, win, loss, win, boom, pass. So that's beautiful. That's nice to see. Passed it on my first try. That's beautiful. I mean, but honestly, like I do this shit. You feel me? Like this ain't like, you feel me? Like this ain't you feel me? Like this ain't you feel me? It's not even anything crazy. You know what I'm saying? Look at the profit factor, the average losing trade, 66% win rate, which is quite accurate. If you look at my journal is has about a 61% win rate, so that's pretty accurate. But yeah, trade syncer, Fundednext futures, those are what I'm using. So check it out if you want. But yeah, that's that for today, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful trading session and a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Don't overtrade. Don't do anything crazy. You feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Like, don't even try to chase the market. You feel me? Just be smart with your trading and just, you feel me? Take it easy, one step at a time. Losses are part of the game. You have to understand that. And you just stick to your plan, stick to your strategy, stick to all that, and you'll be good. That said, that is that for me today. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you guys next week. And if I do trade next week, I don't think I'm going to trade on Monday. I'm not going to trade live with you guys on Monday. So, because Mondays perform badly for Mondays on Wednesday. So I probably won't trade on those days. But I probably will on this account just to pass it. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. See you guys next week. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend as well. Enjoy your weekend. Spend time with family. Spend time with friends and family. Enjoy it. But also make sure you're getting in some practice. You feel me? Getting some back testing, working on your psychology, all that. It helps, man. You can't never just be too relaxed when it comes to trading. You always have to master and sharpen the skills. So yeah, that's that for today, guys. See you guys next week. Have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful day.